Importance of having a fresh look on your chart. See, this is my chart. This is the points that I have drawn in my chart in Euro USD in 1 hour time frame. These were the last week result, and if we are not going to have a fresh look on this, commonly the obvious will be, as you can see, since statistics and both RSI are now down, so it's really time to go up. Meaning to say, the possibility of going up, the possibility of the market showing na it's gonna time to go up is high. And this is the reason, see, I'm gonna show it to you guys why we need to have a fresh look, most especially on weekdays, like on weekends after Friday, you have to have a fresh look on the chart that you're going to work with. Now, to do that, see, uh, now we have this one. So to do that, to have a fresh look, we're going to remove everything that we draw in this chart. I'm gonna turn off the Bollinger, of course, there. So if you're going to ask me, I have to plot again the support and resistance of this, in which I could really see the obvious. This one, that's the obvious part. Okay, from here it's a support, but then it break through, then it become a resistance. There, that's the resistance. Now, last week, if we did not change our chart, if we did not have a fresh look, our forecast is going up since it has the high possibility based on what we are seeing in our chart. But now, if we're going to have a fresh look on this one, you could see the big difference of having a fresh look. It will really save you or even give you new ideas. There you go. See? Through here, we knew, right? Last week, we all thought that it's going up. But through the fresh look, through our new plots of our support and resistance, there is always another side of the coin. See, now that we have a fresh look of the chart, what we could see here is there is a possibility that still the market will go down before it goes up. Now, so we will have to find the support of this analysis that we had. So with this new chart, with this new support and resistance that we have, the possibility of going down first is high before it's going up. Now to do this, to confirm this, what you're going to do is to take a look on the fundamental for next week. What are the market movers? And of course, for me, I need to check also for the statistics and the RSI. And for my RSI, it clearly shows there are no signals yet that's going down since it's still pointing down, although they're already on the oversold. That's time to buy, but yet there are no signals yet. So for going up. And what are that signals? Meaning to say, one of my signals is the crossover of statistic RSI, and the other one is the program that I used. So it will have a color in here and telling me that it's really oversold, just like this one, this one. Now, since that is the case, I still have to look also for the 4 hours to confirm if the possibility of going down is high or no. And here, as you could see, the statistics on the 4 hours is still uh, on the middle that it has to go down yet. Right? So this alone, in the 4-hour chart, so in most cases, there's a big possibility now that it has to go down first. Although the RSI is already on the over uh, sold value, but yet our statistics is supporting the claims of going down. Huh? Now let's go for 1 day. Mm. As you can see, on the 1 day, RSI is not yet don't give it's not yet on the uh bought side. Still, it's still a lot of R is selling, right? So if it's time to buy, then our signal will show this green part. That's the time that to buy. But then again, now we all knew that based only on technical analysis, well, we have now the idea that the possibility of going down is still uh, is the possibility of going down is still possible through these couple of hours on the next week trade. So that's it, guys. That's how I analyze the market. But of course, don't forget. See, uh, you have to take a look also for the fundamental. You have to study this one, compare the data that you have. You have to dig, you have to research so that it will support the claims of what your technical analysis is saying. As we all know that the fundamental are the market movers, but of course, technical analysis and fundamental must move as one. Only technical analysis are giving early signs. So, what is my stand for this data, for this market? Well, for my stand, I need to be flexible enough. First of all, uh, if ever, see, this is very important. If ever the market will goes down, then before I trade to go up, I'll make a trade to go up. RSI must be touching the oversold area. Now, on other hand, of course, on other hand, if ever the market will go up, I'm going to trade for the next R bar. Meaning to say, I'm going to wait. Let's go to 1 hour so it will be clear for you. I'm going to wait that there will be a crossover of these statistics. So for me to have that crossover, probably it will take next bar or 2 more bars for that. So if ever that's the case, that's the time I'll trade going up. If ever on Monday the market will goes up, but then again, if on Monday the market continually goes down, before I'm going to trade to go up, I need to wait until the RSI in the oversold value that it has time to buy. Now, what excites me, and I really knew, this is also what the swing traders are looking for. See, if we'll go for a 1 hour, 1 day. Now I already draw the possible arrows, possible market, how the market will move. Uh, if we're going to like look on how much are we going to profit from this, and I know this is how the swing traders are really whoa making a lot of money. See, as you could see, it has a potential of 162 pips.